crawdad hole. Pretty cool. Okay, folks, finally got onto my first yellow. Just watch where you walk, buddy. There might be some more laying around. Right there, dandy. A little rusty, but he's edible. Cool. More nettle. The rabbit. Salt and pepper. Yummy. Big mighty cottonwood. Well, so far, just one mushroom. Pressing on. Some mushrooms. Don't have my field guide, so we're not going to even attempt it. Never try what you don't know. Rarely seen, but wild snow fence. Yep, it's rare. Alright folks, finally on to them. We got 1, 2, 3 as of right now. So we carefully start looking around. And sometimes you gotta squat down and use your stick and move stuff out of the road carefully. They are fragile. Find one? False alarm. Oh, he's on to a couple more. Oh yeah, there's one there too. Good job, Muddy. He's got the fungi. Some have the flint eye, he has the fungi. Good job, man. Those were hard to spot.
Oh man.
I should have packed a lunch.
Bring out the whole root, why didn't I?
Alright, drop some for later. Cool, man. Nope. He's on to another one. This guy's got an eye for it, man. Oh, yeah, dandy. Cool. Well, he just found another one that I walked by. They're easy to walk by. See a good one? Stuck deep. Yeah, that'll work. Well, apparently the Padawan has become the Jedi. Should have just brought a lawn chair, sit out on the edge. Let him find them all. And he found another one. Yeah, that happens. Cool. Is it a nice one? Little thumbnail. That'll work. I always thought the tops of the moss coming up through looks so cool. Like little eyes popping up through the leaves. Pretty neat. Right on, man. Careful where you walk. Okay, and those are under a cherry tree. First for me.
Gonna taste fruity.
Different kind of cherry. Spot another one hiding in here deep. They are hard to find now. Ooh, it's a dandy. Look at that, folks. Oh. Very nice. Nice golden. Oh, he's a fresh one too. Nice one. Yeah. So this is a little weed that almost everybody has in the northern hemisphere. Shepherd's purse. Little leaves It'll look like a purse. The whole thing's edible. The leaves are really good to add to salads or whatnot, but just something to share with you. Well, I think between the two of us, we made up pretty good. You found more than me, but between the two of us, probably got a pound. Got me a new molding shaft for hand drill fire. So anyway, we're gonna head home, check our giggleberries for ticks, and cook some mushrooms. I had to cook up some pheasant back too, might as well. So I decided to cook up the gar that wife and I shot the other night with my asparagus that we found, some butter, seasoning. It's gonna be good. And we got the pheasant backs in here. A little harvest dinner. So in between cooking, I just got a text from my daughter who is in Louisville, Kentucky, and they just shot for the nationals in NAST Archery. It's the National Archery in the Schools program, and that's a pretty cool deal. Give a little shout out. Our team out of the whole country finished 3rd in 3D. That is pretty awesome. We're a little tiny river town out of the whole nation. So that's a pretty cool deal. So good job, guys. I'm really proud of you. And we had 2 students that finished overall in the state, first place, and 1 that finished first in state. Way to go, J10. Awesome stuff. Just really proud of you. Very cool. Doing the Morels old school. A little flour breading and oil. Bam. I keep it off the main fire so it doesn't get burnt. Gonna have about 375, about 20 minutes. Perfect. Okay, so here we are, folks. We've got some morel mushrooms my boy and I found today. Pheasant backs off the ash tree, gar we shot earlier, and some wild asparagus. Awesome stuff. Try the gar. I did it in a foil pouch with butter, some seasoning. It's nice stuff. Tastes like pork chop. Pheasant back. Asparagus. Wonderful. Morels. Just use flour, some seasoning, right in the oil. Great stuff. So I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, share it. We'll catch you next time. And way to go, Rocket Archery. Check them out on Facebook. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. It's really crazy, this gar too, because it doesn't taste like fish at all. That is really weird. Nice one.